Okay. Hi, Rogelio.
Hi. Is it going?
Yeah, it's on.
Hi. What is today? The 21st of December. I just graduated ITB, Infantry Training Battalion, Charlie Company. I am now a basic rifleman, 0311. I'm going to be stationed with 1-1. I'm excited. I'm going to hit the fleet.
Tomorrow's Tina's birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, Tina.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably be around for Christmas and New Year's. And word is I'll be going to Iraq in September, Ramadi. You know, and I'm looking forward to that. You know,
the Super Bowl, right?
The Super Bowl. My senior drill instructor said we train for the Super Bowl, and to Marines, the Super Bowl is Iraq. And I'll be traveling. That's what I always want to do, though.
Okay. Well, we love you. We're proud of you, and we'll be seeing you.
I love everybody. I'll be seeing you guys in the next couple of days. But I just got to get some sleep. I went to sleep at, what, 12 o'clock last night? Woke up at 4 this morning. So I'm pretty pooped.
Okay. See ya.